Hi, this is the demo of the Sehat Sarthi WhatsApp bot. First, I'll message it hi to check whether it's working or not. After that, I can describe my problems to it in any language using either text or voice note. Let me send it a voice note describing my problems. डॉक्टर साहब, मेरा नाम स्वप्निल है और मैं 21 साल का हूँ। मेरी आँखों और त्वचा में पीलापन पड़ रहा है। मुझे थकान और कमज़ोरी महसूस होती है। मुझे भूख भी कम आती है आजकल और मेरे पेट के दाएं तरफ में दर्द या असुविधा जैसा फीलिंग आती है मुझे। Now this will get processed and the PDF will be generated for the medical report of this particular patient. As you can see, it has been generated. It has also detected my name and put that on the PDF as well as my age. I not mentioned my gender, so that came as not specified, but all the complaints got written properly and it detected it as jaundice, as you can see in the assessment. So this has worked, and now I can send this to any urban doctor for proper clarification to reduce the communication gap between rural people and doctors. I could also just send it a text and it will process the text no matter what language I type it in and give a report for that. So I'll type मेरा नाम स्वप्निल है, 21 साल का हूँ, मुझे 2 दिन से सिर में दर्द है और ज़्यादा रोशनी में दिक्कत है. And it will detect this as Hindi and then it will process it and give a complete English report with clinical standards met. As you can see, the report is ready and this is what it looks like. These were the complaints and it has diagnosed it as tension type headache or migraine type headache or sinus, and it also gives a plan on what I could do.